What's going on, everyone? I just want to make a quick video of replacing your speakers in your dash in your car or truck. Pretty easy. These speakers fit right in. They're aftermarket speakers, so they're higher quality. But you know, if you're just replacing the stock speaker, this will do the same trick right here. You know, getting them out and everything. So we're trying to get the camera so you can see the speaker. You want to have these plastic tools. These will help you pop this little grill out here without disturbing anything. These just pop out pretty easy. Slides right out, and then you take your ratchet. This is a 10mm. Loosen them up. This is a 2014 Toyota Tundra. I already replaced the middle speaker. It's basically the same thing as doing these corner ones. These are JL audio speakers, so the quality is going to be much better than these factory speakers. You just pull this out, and there's a quick disconnect. I mean, this is basically plug and play. Old one. New one. New one's right here. Okay. Little harness here. Plugs right in. That's it. And you just tuck this stuff in there, out of the way. And then you're gonna get your screws. Screw it in. So let's get this done. Start the screws. Get them snug, and then you can use your wrench. Tighten them down. I mean, literally, it's like 5 minutes, not even. I think we're like almost 4 minutes in to this. Really easy to do yourself. And you just put this piece back in, cover piece. That's it. Finished. It's not bad. So, hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna put some music on and see how they sound. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.